Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. Today we're going to explore ClonBrowser, an antidetect solution for automation that allows the creation and management of numerous profiles with unique digital fingerprints. This is indeed beneficial for marketers, arbitrageurs, targetologists, SMM specialists, cybersecurity experts, and anyone working with multiple accounts or platforms simultaneously. Let's get started. Let's pinpoint how ClonBrowser can simplify your work. ClonBrowser functions as both a web interface and a desktop application for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, providing flexibility in platform choice. The tool is built on Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, ensuring stable operation, extension support, and masking user activity from tracking systems. Users have access to over 30 fingerprint parameters, allowing them to simulate various devices and working environments, bypassing recognition and blocking mechanisms. The functionality enables the synchronization of multiple browser windows on a single device, actions that significantly simplify multitasking. With RPA, ClonBrowser automates the management of social media, data analysis, and web interaction, performing actions like content posting, writing comments, and gathering and processing information. Now let's move on to the pricing plans offered by ClonBrowser. The free plan supports up to 5 browser environments, but doesn't include team collaboration features. Users gain access to dual fingerprint engines for Chrome and Firefox, standard proxy support of HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, SSH protocols, and multi-accounting functionality. The co-creation plan at $29 per month extends the capabilities of the free plan, allowing work with 100 browser environments and 4 team members. It includes encrypted data synchronization between devices, mass management of extensions, support for advanced proxy protocols like Trojan, VMS, proxy forwarding, group control, and RPA automation. The professional plan at $99 per month includes all features of the co-creation, designed for professional use, with support for 1,000 browser environments and 12 team members. It adds offline browser data migration, open API integration, synchronization through a super clipboard, access to experimental features, and custom RPA script creation. The Enterprise plan at $299 per month is the most comprehensive tariff for business, supporting 5,000 browser environments and 30 team members. It includes all features of previous plans, plus individual service, priority technical support, and strategic consultations for business process optimization. Let's launch the browser and explore its interface closely. The Browser tab displays a list of all created profiles. Creation, editing, copying, searching, and export operations are available via the More icon. Field visibility is adjustable using the wrench icon in the upper right corner. The Proxy tab displays a list of saved proxy servers, supporting standard protocols, HTTP, HTTPS, SOCKS 5, SSH, and advanced plugins, VMS, Shadow SOCKS, Trojan, VLS, local proxy for mobile proxies, and subscription for batch subscriptions. The Extensions tab, to download browser extensions and attach them to profiles through the desktop program. The Plan tab shows information about the current tariff. Also available is a table for comparing all subscriptions, transaction history, and payment function. The Team tab contains sections for inviting new members, viewing the participant list, and managing invitations. In the Team Settings subsection, you can change the team name, allow new member joining, enable candidate audits, and hide the IP address and account. In Default Permissions, you can adjust the rights to manage proxies, browser extensions, and other parameters, ensuring flexibility in team management. Cooperative Partner, the ClonBrowser Advertising Partner Directory, which includes information about proxy providers and tools for working with profiles. The Refer and Earn section redirects the user to the Alliance platform, where you can obtain a referral link and learn about available rewards. Profiles in the ClonBrowser can be created in 3 different ways. Let's take a look at each of them. The first method, batch creation. For this method, click on the arrow to the right of New Browser and select the Batch Create option. Then upload an Excel file with the required parameters, and the system will automatically create all profiles specified in the table. The second option is Quick Create. This option allows you to instantly generate a large number of browser profiles with random parameters. To launch this option, click on the down arrow to the right of the New Browser button and select the appropriate option. The third method is the regular profile creation process. To start it, click on the New Browser button, then enter the profile name. Specify the group, fingerprint mode, operating system, and browser. Select the region as well as notes and the start page. To change other profile parameters, you can scroll down the screen or use the tabs at the top of the window. In the Proxy tab, you can attach a saved proxy server to the profile or use custom settings. Detailed instructions for setting up the proxy can be found in the annotation on the screen. The Account tab allows you to set a login and password for sites like Gmail, AliExpress, Facebook, etc. In the prefabricated data section, you can upload cookie files to attach them to the new profile. Features allows you to enable or disable the use of bookmarks, cookies, local storage, and other profile handling protocols. The Fingerprints tab presents advanced profile fingerprint settings, such as user agent, fonts, extensions, RAM size, CPU cores, and more. Finally, to complete the process, click on Create Browser at the bottom of the screen. In conclusion, ClonBrowser is a powerful anti-detect browser for anonymously working with numerous browser profiles. It offers a wide array of parameters for fine customization of digital fingerprints. And thanks to automation features, ClonBrowser simplifies and optimizes standard processes, enhancing efficiency in managing browser profiles. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.